Good day, everyone. I am not a chef, and today we are going to see 3 ways to use tomatoes. Starting with beef stuffed tomato. Cut the top of a big firm tomato. Scoop the insides of the tomato. Use 300 grams of thinly sliced fatty beef. Cut the beef into smaller strips. Put the beef in a bowl. In a food processor, put 1 medium-sized onion, one clove of garlic, 1 green chili, and some parsley. Then mix. Add the mix to the beef. Add salt, black pepper, and mix. Stuff the beef mix in the tomato. Put in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Next, we are making fried tomatoes. Cut 1 tomato into 1-inch slices. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of flour. Add milk. Mix together until you reach this consistency. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and mix again. Next to the batter bowl, put 1 bowl of panko breadcrumbs. Cover the tomato slices with the batter. Then with the panko crumbs, put in the batter again for thicker crust. Then again in the crumbs. then deep fry. Lastly, we will make the fastest recipe: tomato sauce, a side dish to eat with rice. Cut the tomato into small pieces. Put the tomato in the blender. Add 1 clove of garlic, green chili pepper, salt, black pepper. Add some water and blend.